Okay, this is a 2000. Oh, there's Bullet. This is a 2007 F250. Recently got this for cheap, and it was a fleet vehicle. It was pretty trashed. Went through, replaced a lot of the interior, tires, most of the suspension, and took it to a shop and had the full engine bulletproofing done, mainly with bulletproof diesel parts. I put backup camera right there on it. Put these little tie down things, and it already had those tie downs, which is good for dirt bike and stuff like that. I put these 2008 and up mirrors on it, which have better visibility. Also put a CB for when we're traveling and towing the travel trailer there. And in here I did a couple of kind of neat things that I needed done, like for instance right here, this stupid little panel on a 2007 F250s has what can only be described as like a coat hanger holder. I have no idea what it's for. So I went and got an inverter. I took the inverter apart, extended all the wiring, put the unit itself behind in here, it's back in there, and then extended the wires out and over here, and put this unit on this little panel right here that's pretty dumb and nobody needs. Then also, it was kind of cool, I put this CB in here, and when I did it, I found on the bottom of the dash, this is the little control box for it, but on the bottom of the dash, you see those two mounting screws there. Those were screws that were already in the dash. I had to cut a little bit of plastic away, but they were the perfect size, and it mounted right there. Worked out perfectly. Alright, but one of the other things I did was the stereo. And when I was putting the stereo in, I had the key on, the off, was doing all sorts of stuff with it. And apparently doing that can send a little surge through your little airbag thing there. So I have an airbag light on, and I've got a new switch because the light on there doesn't even work. And I've also heard that just that light blowing out will cause it not to work. So let's see if I can set this up here, and I'm gonna swap that out real quick. Plug this one. Let me just plug this other one in, see if that gets rid of the problem. Alright, I got a light on this one. So far, no airbag light. And that one actually lit up.
Is under Francisco. She went to a school orientation and thought the precautions seemed pretty.
Alright, I'm going to call that fixed. Well, let's try this again. I have a 5.5 millimeter socket. Really worried about that plastic breaking, which is why I didn't want to pop this out all the way in the first place, but looks like I got away with it. Otherwise I wasn't getting this. This is a very odd 5.5 millimeter. Odd. Alright, let's put it on. Different tool there. Going in here better. Alright, and back together. No airbag light. Seems to have fixed the problem. And if I had to say, it was probably just that bulb that was out, because the old one never lit up when you first start the truck, and this one lit up right away. Probably going through some sort of self-test or something, but it definitely lit up. And let's see here, let's pop this back in. Pop all these back in. I will see you later.